Hi everyone, it's Phil Moreira, litigation lawyer with Valent Legal, and today we're going to be talking about what are your rights as an injured passenger in a car accident. This video is part of a series of frequently asked questions that we get about car accidents and insurance issues following car accidents. You can head over to our website at valentlegal.ca or follow us on Instagram. So if you're involved in a car accident and are injured as a passenger, the first thing that you'll want to do is make an insurance claim under Section B of the insurance policy of whoever it is that was driving the car that you were a passenger in. So that could be a family member, a friend, and irrespective of whether you carry your own insurance policy for your own vehicle, if you were a passenger in somebody else's vehicle and they were driving at the time of the collision, you would make a claim for accident benefits through their insurance company. And accident benefits mean any treatment that you might need following an accident if you did suffer an injury, such as physiotherapy, massage therapy, weekly indemnity benefits, which are otherwise known as wage loss benefits. That claim should be set up as soon as possible with the driver of your vehicle's insurance policy. Typically, we recommend that claim is opened as quickly as possible. There are some time limits at play. Typically, it's 90 days that you'll want to have that claim opened by following the date of the accident. But again, our recommendation is always to open that claim as quickly as you possibly can. So if you suffer injuries as a passenger in a vehicle that was involved in a car accident, you'll set up your claim for treatment benefits through the insurance company of the driver of that vehicle. That claim will pay for your immediate treatment needs, such as physiotherapy, massage therapy, some wage loss benefits, your accident benefits as they're known. If you are injured and you'd like to make a claim for your injuries specifically to be compensated for your injuries, you would bring a claim through the insurance company of the at-fault driver, whether it's the driver of your vehicle or the driver of a third-party vehicle who caused the accident. Your injury claim would be brought against that driver's insurance company. The next question is, what if I'm injured on public transportation? This is a little bit more complicated. There's different timelines at play. If you are riding on a municipal bus, for instance, and the bus is involved in an accident, what you would first do is contact the municipality that operates the transit service, and you would open your accident benefits through them. So you would contact, for instance, in Halifax Regional Municipality, the city offices, let them know about what happened, let them know about the injuries you sustained, and they would open an accident benefits claim for you. In the event that you wanted to bring an injury claim forward to be compensated for your injuries, that claim would also be processed through the city. So what we would always recommend is, before doing this, to consult with an experienced personal injury lawyer, just to make sure you're asking the right questions and dealing with the right people. And from there, your injury lawyer can make sure that your claim is brought forward against the appropriate section of the city's insurance. And an insurance adjuster would be appointed in the ordinary course through the city. And again, your injury claim would be processed that way. So the next question is, what if I'm injured in a rideshare program or in a taxi? The situation is basically the same as if you were involved as a passenger in any other vehicle with private citizens, for instance. The first thing that you would want to do is make sure that you get the contact information of the driver, including their name, their address, their email, or their phone number if possible. And you would also want to make sure that you get a copy of their insurance information, who they're insured with, what their policy number is, so on and so forth. And you would bring a claim for your accident benefits, which is your immediate treatment needs, through their insurance provider. And in the event that you wanted to move a claim forward for your injuries, you would bring a claim forward through the at-fault driver's insurance company, whether it's the rideshare's insurer, the taxi driver's insurer, or a third-party driver who caused the accident. Your injury claim would be brought forward against that person. The next question is, can I be found liable for an accident if I'm the passenger? Generally, the answer is no, but again, it all depends on the unique circumstances of every car accident claim. Typically, if you're sitting in a car and someone else is driving it, you would not share in any of the fault determination for whoever it is that is found to ultimately be liable for a car accident. Again, every situation is different, so our recommendation is always to consult with a personal injury lawyer before contacting any insurance company to move an injury claim forward. So the next question is, what if an at-fault driver were to offer you cash for your injuries following a car accident? Our recommendation is basically always to bring a claim forward through the proper channels, which would mean to bring a claim through insurance if an insurance regime is in place and available to bring a claim through. Sometimes people are hesitant to bring claims through an insurance process formally. They have a lot on the go. They might have their own personal reasons for not wanting to be involved in insurance. But again, generally speaking, our recommendation recommendation is always to bring a claim forward through the proper channels, through the formal channels, rather than accepting cash payouts from someone you might have been involved in an accident with. In any event, the best thing to do is to consult with a personal injury lawyer to discuss, the unique circumstances of the particular car accident and the claim that might be following the car accident before you make any decisions on how to proceed. So those are some answers to your questions on what are my rights as an injured passenger. If you found these answers helpful, leave your comments in the comments section below. And if you'd like further information, feel free to visit our website at valiantlegal.ca, or you can follow us on Instagram.